In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Vizio TV to Wi-Fi without a remote. If you lost your remote or it's not working, don't worry, use this method. Step 1. First, take your smartphone and install the Vizio mobile app. You can find it for free on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Earlier, this app was called Vizio SmartCast Mobile, but now it's just Vizio Mobile. Step 2. Now, make sure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network you want your TV to use. Then open the app, tap on Devices, and choose Add Device or Pair TV. Step 3. The app will start searching for nearby Vizio TVs. Once your TV's name appears, tap on it and wait a few seconds to pair. After pairing, your phone will work just like a TV remote. Step 4. Next, open Settings, Network, Wi-Fi in the app. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. That's it. Your Vizio TV is now connected to Wi-Fi without needing a remote. Bonus tip: if you have an older Vizio TV that doesn't appear in the app,